ke la ubusoba mangiboni. Akazi kwezenjani. Okay.
Masibona kuyakuvela.
Yeah. Angithi
ngiyazwa.
bengikushilo ukuthi I'm a newcomer here, so you'll have to bear with me. Kuzomele ningibekezelele nje bafowethu. Insizwe engithatha through yena uShongwe la. Uyena ongitotosayo kulento ka TikTok. Njengoba kade ngishilo nje ukuthi uyena owangipersuade ukuthi angijoyine uTikTok. Well ke insizwe sisebenzisana kahle kakhulu nayo le. In fact nje sisonke nje. Nokuhloniphana nje ukuthi when you have been given a responsibility to be a lead, abafowethu bakunikeze i-opportunity to lead them. Ngoba i-problem ubaba ukhoma into yokuthi ube nomuntu owuphatha ephethwe oyi-teaspoon noma ucephe ngalesikhathi ephethwe naye ufuna ukuphatha. So it's a privilege ke to work with people abangenayo syndrome ye competition unhealthy, ukuthi umuntu ufuna ukugqama nala ngekho khona isidingo nangento unnecessary. Nala kufanele ngabe nje si apply collectivism at all costs, and then bese umuntu azame ukuyijuphatize with an unnecessary competition. So le nsizwa ke zoyi2 njengoba nisibona nje sikwazi ukuthi si expose strength sethu lapha. Sis expose on the basis of is strength that we cement behind the scenes. Ukuthi masisebenza si establish ama principles ukuthi as a collective how do we approach this, because we are trying to demoralize into individualism. Ngoba usuku inkinga ama umuntu wena ongawazi ukusebenza nabantu. That's why even nasemsebenzini mawenza i-interview awulishiya iphuzu elokuthi uyawazi yini wena ukusebenza nabantu, ukusebenza ne-team, because uyabona ukuba ne-problem yomuntu one-problem ye-character ne-attitude, ukuthi kusetshenzwa usene-attitude usenishintshele kunabantu angasabakhulumisi la and so on. That is very unhealthy. So I'm trying to say, as we are building, as we engage, as we embark kule engagement le oyivulile la, those are the issues that we must deal with, to say, to work as a team, what is an overarching principle that you must espouse ukuze nisebenze kahle ngendlela healthy and ngendlela enemiphumela productive. So I thought it's very important ukuthi ngi-emphasize your point so that you guys will understand ukuthi i-success of this team isuka kephi, what is the foundation that has been built, and what is the foundation that has been put in place to ensure that this collectivism remains intact and effective and efficient. So kubalekile noma ukephi noma usekhaya noma usemsebenzini into ye-collectivism ungabi too individualistic, uzoba ne-problem khona la ungake uzufike khona. Uyabona umuntu mina we are having a serious problem because une-imaginary power nje esingayi-understand or iphupha molele ebusuku eyaziwa. You can't achieve anything in this world as an individual. You need collaterals. Udinga abantu ozokwazi ukuthi ubuze kubona abafowethu, am I still doing ngendlela right uma ngenza kanje? What is your contribution kule matter? How can we best approach this? Because by getting their opinions, that can help you to grow. If there's one mistake that you must never commit, is a mistake of thinking that you know everything. Because when you commit that mistake, you are simply limiting an opportunity for you to learn more. Ngoba usukune imagination yokuthi wena usukwazi konke, so asekho isidingo sokuthi ungafunda, and ugcine so undermine nabantu ekumele ufunde kubona. So that is a by the way issue. And then mhlamba siya ku question yakho ke babukhoma.
Yeah.
Thina as i-MK party umbono wethu ukuthi lento siyenzayo angabi i-sketch, that is number one. Number two, angabi i-talk show eyokuthi nje abantu bafuna ukubona komabonakude then kungabikho ama-consequences. Ama-consequences ke azodeterminwa yini? Azodeterminwa i-revolutionary conscience of each party ekhona laphaya, because after these interviews what is going to happen is that sizoya kuma-deliberations as members of the committee, so deliberate ukuthi okay, as the MK party, based on what we have observed, this is what we suggest. And I can tell you for free ukuthi thina as the MK party, our view is very clear and straightforward. Ukuthi abantu who have been found to be on the wrong side of the law must be arrested, simple. Kufanele baye ekhindini, and yona into leyo esizoyiphusha unapologetically. Two, ekufanele sikwazi ukuthi not all of us in that committee have genuine interests and have genuine principles. Abanye abantu they are just there nje to protect ama-shenanigans wabo, bawuvikela into zabo nobugebengu ababenzile phambilini. So kubalulekile ukuthi siqonde ukuthi iParliament is a politically contested terrain. Kunama-parties amaningi akhona. So i-majority is very important eParliament. Unlike iMadlanga Commission la ijaji elinalento okuthiwa i-absolute power elizokwazi ukuthi lona libe nama-legal submissions then li-summarize ama-issues ngendlela elicabanga ukuthi are-relevant ngayo ngokomthetho. Laphaya as the MK party singayenza thina i-submission yokuthi uSorenso since enze ukuthi akaboshwe, then ifike enye party ithi no akangaboshwa for various reasons, ithi hayi akangaboshwa, thina sibona ukuthi akumele aboshwe. So I'm saying here, what is at the center of what would be the outcome or what would be the way forward is a political conscience of each party. Unembeza mangilibeka ngesiZulu, unembeza wonke ama-parties akhona lapha ukuthi lama-parties njengalama-issues ese-exposwe kangaka, futhi njengoba lama-issues esekhoste kangaka ilizwe lase-South Africa, basanawo yini unembeza ukuthi ubulungiswa ekugcineni abenziwe, noma kuzobe kuyi-MK party yonke yodwa ezobe isenento ethi ukulungiswa abenziwe? Because if you observe Babukhomo kuma-interviews, and I'm glad ukuthi i-majority yama-South Africans i-honest, bayasitshela mahlangana nabo either kwi-airport or kuma-malls or anywhere ukuthi abantu abasoba lapha i-MK party.
Yeah.
You know why? It's because i-MK party inabantu lapha abangekho compromised. Ngakubalela wonke ama-parties bese ngikutshela ukuthi ba-compromise kanjani. Abanye ba-compromised, well, I'm not going to mention parties, but abanye ba-compromised because ama-members abo are complicated, right? Kudilwa nawo lapha, ayaquestionwa, ayavelwa as witnesses. Abanye, so they have to defend their members in the name of defending ama-political parties abo, to say if usiyamyekela uSorenso a-victimizwe noma a-expozwe, leyo nto izocost i-party yethu igcine ingasavotelwa kuma-elections. Abanye ba-compromised because babe-involved in one way or the other kulama-elections, kulama-allegations arezwa uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ukuthi kunosopolitiki abanobudlelwane nama-drug cartels nama-criminal syndicates. So they are involved to a point where bebaleka uma kuzoquestionwa abantu abathile, babaleke nje bachoose ukuthi bangabi ingxenye yama-interviews. So babaleke nje, babaleka isintu, uyabona. Abanye babe involved because amanye wamalunga abo are reportiwe as one of the accused or the suspected or the suspects rather or abasolwa entweni ezithile ezithinta lezinsolo ezikhona. Like I can tell you for free, go Adams. I can tell you for free, go Bernard with the A. Now, why am I giving this background and this explanation? It's because I want us to understand what is at stake here, and yini engagcina isiyenza abantu ukuthi ba compromise I-principle
ngicela ukuvala lokujana ivideo bazokulokhunja bazokublocker la ngicela ukuvala nje ivideo yakho
ngiyipassenger kodwa okay sure
okay ya ungakhuluma siyakwenza siyakuzwa
yes so yeah. I'm saying ukuthi nginikeza lencazelo le babukhomo so that sonke sizoba nokuqonda ekutheni yini ezokwenza ukuthi abanye abantu babalekele iqiniso at the expense of ubulungiswa uyabo because mubalekele iqiniso kulento it means you are saying isimo asihlale sinje igebengu ayiqhubeke zibe in charge of impilo zethu ilama issues lawa engiwabandakanyile but ke akuwona ama issues lawa noma akusona isimo leso esingenza ukuthi thina sibe demoralized as the MK party like we are doing today. Thina will ensure ukuthi noma sekuyiwa kuma deliberations noma sekuvotwa will never make a mistake eyokuthi sicompromise abantu bakithi in favor of igebengu. Will never make a mistake yokuthi sithi igebengu ayiqhubeke iflourishe ayiqhubeke zibe in charge of ama-coffers kahulumeni at the expense of abantu. If kufanele kudelay nazo, if kufanele exposewe, if kufanele ziye ekhindini, so be it. So i-point la engizama uku-emphasize ukuthi if kukhona ihashe kumele abantu balibhejele la kule issue i-MK party ngoba ilona ihashi elingathinteki kulezi zinto, ilona ihashe eli-credible, ilona futhi ihashe eli-honest. Eliya nje maliya lapha line honesty elingakaze labaleka akhona elodwa ilunga. I can account for that as a lead njengoba eseshilo babushongo ukuthi I was appointed by leadership ukuthi angilidele la committee ngenxa ye background yami kwezomthetho. Akhona elodwa ilunga kulamalunga u3 elake langa attenda ushongo uhleze khona ubaba uSikhosana uhleze khona because abekho compromised all of them. Akhona yodwa witness abake bayibaleka athi umuntu hayi bafowethu mina ayekho wakwazi they know mina ukuthi mina indlela engiyiwipha ngayo le nto angifuni nanokuthi sesiyochama isikhathi eside. Umuntu make wachama nje ahambe for 5 minutes ngithi bafowethu buyani ngoba kufanele si-engage la kungabikho i-point where sizovala amehlo sithi hayi iseqile i-item ethile ngoba besivala amehlo. We must always be true. So leyo nto ichaza ukuthini? Ichaza ukuthi we are the only party genuine and engekho compromised. So ufanele niqiniseke nje ukuthi nine-MK party la bantu base South Africa ekuyiyona ezoyimela nakuyiyona futhi engeke ize ishade negebengu engeke izisho ukuthi hayi osibiya abangaboshwa abenzanga lutho. We never say ngoba sekucacile ngishona kwingane encane yenza grade 2 ukuthi obani abantu abamaphoyisa angempela obani abamaphoyisa igebengu namaphoyisa alawulwa igebengu. So to be specific ke to your answer, uma kuwukuthi ikomiti liyavumelana nokuthi uma kuwukuthi abantu baya rise above ukuthi ba involve kangakanani nokuthi lento inamaphi ama consequences politically bese livumelana ikomiti ngo elejwe ukuthi la uSorenso be wrong akaboshwe uzoba khona ama-consequences. Uzoboshwa ngempela masivumelane abantu idepende nje konembeza babantu abakulela komiti. Ngoba maliqeda ikomiti lizokwenza ini? Lizokwenza i-report. Le report izobe isiya-ke babukhomo, izobe isiya kwisishayamthetho sikazwelonke. Iyofundwa khona ukuthi ngoba uzokhumbula ukuthi sasi-appointwe isishayamthetho sikazwelonke ukuthi asenze lo msebenzi. So bese sibuyela-ke khona sicela uSpeaker simtshele somlomo sesikulungela ukuthi singayothula-ke manje i-report. Sicela ukuya masifika khona siyethula i-report bese-ke isishayamthetho sikazwelonke siyivotele i-report ukuthi ayi-implementwe ngale ndlela esirecommende ngayo. Uma ngiyivala nje impendulo yami embuzweni wakho kuloyo response esiyoyinika ngaleso sikhathi nize nifunde imibono ye-MK Party ukuthi the akwenziwe. And I can tell you for free namhlanje ukuthi MK Party izoba kwiside leqiniso. Angeke izibe kwiside le i-MK Party nizoyithola lapha imenshina abantu ukuthi ulona lo akaboshwe nako sikutholile ubugebengu bukanje nakanje nakanje ukuze kwenziwe ukulungiswa abantu abathintekayo abawosorenso ababoshwe. Sekuyosala-ke ekutheni lamaphathi asephalamende wona amele iqiniso noma amele ubugebengu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Hey, siyabonga nje kakhulu.
Au.